So the side of my web page, as you're looking up here, has things over here on the right-hand side to help people find other things. So all of the themes that you've chosen have areas for widgets. So we just need to add the widgets to it. So on my dashboard, which looks slightly different than yours, we're going to Widgets, which is under Appearance.
How do we need to do a dashboard?
Sure. Well, you should have an appearance page, correct? See, take a look at themes. No. People sharing, domains. You click on Customize. Does it bring up the widgets? I'll do the same thing. Widgets. Then you have at least one widget spot. You might have multiple. My theme only has one, primary sidebar. Add widgets here to appear in your primary sidebar. So you can add a widget, you can reorder, or you can change things. So the ones that I have on mine, I have a search, a recent post, a recent comments. I'm going to delete the recent comments one. I don't feel a need to let kids see recent comments. So I clicked on it, and then I'm going to click remove, and it's gone. I'm going to get rid of the meta one as well. Remove. And then I want to make sure that you have a categories one, because that's probably going to be the easiest way for people to find things once they get pushed off of your main page. So if you click on add a widget and select categories, okay, you can call it title or you can call it keywords. You can call it categories. If you don't put anything there, it's just going to be called categories. Close. So now, on my widget, on my sidebar, I have categories. Classroom website is one of the categories I've used on this page. So anything that I've used in that category will come up when you click Classroom websites. That's when you're making a page or a post, you can add it to a category. So if you're making an alphabet category on your post, you add a category or you add it to one that's already there. So that when the students click on the front page for alphabet, it'll take you to all of the posts about the alphabet, for example. Or, if you want to put a specific one, I want to go back to my customize. So we can do it from the same place. If you want to just put a specific link to a specific page, like I always want that alphabet one to be up there, but I don't want it to be up on my top menu and clutter that up. We're going to add a widget. Good. Go to a list of the site's pages, or add a custom menu. I'm sorry, I'm going to keep going because it's a video, and you can watch it back. Add a custom menu, and add the menu there, and then add things to the menu. Anything you add to that menu is now on your side. I'm going to go through that very quickly, and then this video will be up on scottpamphel.com, and if that's something you want to try, you can take it at your own pace. So menus. Good. I'm going to make a new menu and call it, I don't know what I'll call it, really important or something like that. So I'm going to click create a new menu, menu name, best links, for example, create menu. Then I can add things, add any of my pages to that. I can add any of my posts to that, add to the menu, or I can add any other custom links as well. YouTube.com, link text, YouTube, add to menu. Anything I add to that menu then is going to show up in that widget. Save the menu. Go back to my appearances, customize, widgets, primary sidebar, add a widgets, custom menu, best links. I selected that menu I just made, so then anything that I add to that menu from now on is just going to show up on the front page. That's if you want direct control over what's underneath it. If you just want a list of your pages, you select pages. If you just want a list of your categories, you select categories. Save and publish. We'll preview it. I'll save this video and you can see what it looks like. So there's my recent posts, my archives, my categories, and my favorites.